Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and all of the supplies that you'll need to make these will be in the description box below. I always forget to say that, but I do put them in the description box. And DIY number one is a sign that I made using my Cricut. This came from Dollar Tree. I have not been able to find any spring, Easter, anything at any of the Dollar Trees that I've gone to. So I promise you in my next video I won't use my Cricut. I am a little obsessed with it. Well, no, I'm a lot obsessed with it, but I can't find anything. I found this sign. I've been to like I think 4 Dollar Trees, and they have nothing. I got this sign, and I got a couple that look like houses that are out of this wood, but no spring, no Easter. Some frogs. I'm not really into frogs, but not even any Valentine's signs left that someone could use to make into something else. So this video is using my Cricut on 2 of them, but I'm just painting this with Waverly chalk paint in Snow White. But I do love my Cricut, and I got a heat press. I haven't tried it yet because I haven't been feeling too well. But I got it the other day, and I haven't even gotten it out of the box and played with it or anything. But I just give this, I think I gave it 2 coats. But I am a little obsessed with it. I think it's the neatest thing in the whole wide world. Well, almost. So now I'm going to distress it with this little brush from Dollar Tree, and that, I think it's Folk Art black paint. So I just gave it that weathered look. And I hear Miss Coco's trying to get in. So I've printed off this coffee is my kryptonite. And I don't, why did it do that? And I don't know what font I use. I just made up this phrase. I don't know if anybody else has, but it's DC Barn something font. And I put a coffee mug and a little espresso maker over there, and that's hanging in my kitchen. Miss Coco had to come in here and be nosy. Now she's back talking me. So this is my Instagram and TikTok accounts. And if you all are new here, I want to welcome you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you all a whole lot. So this is a barn sign that I had from Christmas. It's got that raised up wood on the front, and it's a little too hard to get those off. for me at least. So I work with, I have to get this, what do you call it, glitter. They love their glitter at Dollar Tree. I wish they would get away from the glitter. I mean, glitter has its place, but they're crazy with their glitter. And I'm going to keep this hanger, so I just cut the tag off. And then I sand and sand and sand. Because I'm going to use that barnwood scrapbook paper. I believe I got that at Hobby Lobby last year. Now I'm sped up. And then of course I'm going to use black paint for that trim around the barn. I'm just really disappointed with the Dollar Trees. I've been to 2 out of town. I guess it would have been, I called one and they said that they had some spring stuff but they didn't have it out yet. So I'm just kind of stuck right now. So I give this, I just go around that trim and then go around the sides. And the only way I could figure out to do this was just trace out the whole barn and then use my glue stick to glue it down and then cut around with my X-Acto knife. For that roof line. Excuse me. Coco's upset. She wants me in there playing. That's her little temper tantrum. I tell you, the weather here has been so crazy as always. 60 storms. Now it's back cold again. Probably be able to build a snowman, and I don't know. One time it was in June and we were freezing out of the ballpark. Like, so for this, I'm going to apply it to the, I've wiped off the, where I sanded it, so I can get it around those edges really good. And I have it sped up because of my upload issues. One of these days we'll get with the program, I guess, around here, and they'll give us decent internet. I don't know. So I just try to get around that roof line. With my fingers as good as I can. And I'm out of frame. Miss Coco. Coco. I had to lock Miss Coco back out. She was fussing at me. So I do promise you all, even if I have to go to Walmart, I don't know. I don't even know if our Walmart has anything. They rarely do. But, because I normally would have already started spring and probably Easter. I love that scrapbook paper though, but I bought it like in individual sheets. And then this is just a printable, and I don't have a link. I always forget that stuff, and I don't even know how to save them or put a link to them in the description box. So I just cut that down to the size that I wanted it. And it says farm fresh milk something farms. But I just typed in farmhouse, probably with a cow or something, in my search. And I'm going to use the glue stick for this also. And I just eyeball everything. I know in some of my pictures it doesn't look like they're straight, but it's the way that they're like hanging. I have a shelf in here that's got different types of, it's an antique type shelf with different types of hangers. Some of them are thicker, some of them are thinner. Now I'm going to take a layer of Mod Podge and put over the top of that. I get paint all over me. So there is that one completed. I like it. I put it in the kitchen. And this next one is just something I made up. And I have these came from Amazon. Now I've gotten smart and I've put my gloves on. Just little, I think they're supposed to be 12-inch rounds. I wanted to put the lyrics going around in a circle, but I couldn't figure out how to do that. But I got this hanging in the living room. I was going to put something like, if it's really an emergency, I'll stop listening to, or I'll take my headphones off and stop listening to music, or, you know, something like that. But I put, if you don't like the song Creep by Radiohead, we probably can't be friends. I love that song. And I've already explained, I don't show me doing the Cricut because it's way down here on this table, and turning my camera to do it would just, it wouldn't work out very well. So that is, and then I put the little music and the guitar notes up there. And see, that one's kind of hanging sideways on this. I used wire to hang it. But I want to thank you all for watching, and my next video I'm planning to be spring Dollar Tree DIYs. You all have a good day. Thank you.